Nmiri Eweilo, I used to think that one day you will change and become a different person. But I never knew that your heart is hardened, as hard as a stone. You don't get mind, you don't get heart at all. Now people will know they see him. Do you know that as of yesterday, Nmiri Eweilo posted the kind video where he been done the post before against other native doctors? Hiding under tradition to push a false narrative, to push a propaganda against other native doctors in Anambra State. Now, somebody could be feeling like, now where they pursue other native doctors for Anambra State, Nmiri Eweilo will feel like, hey, yeah, this is what they do, these people no good though. But do you know that Nmiri Eweilo continue to post that kind of thing where they post against this native doctor, claiming that other native doctors are using human part to prepare juju? He posted that video yesterday. That's to show you how determined this guy Nmiri is to bring down other native doctors for Anambra State. Go to his page and see the video. I saw this thing that happen. You think, maybe me go to pity them. Hey, what did they do? These people no good though. Nmiri posted again those kind of propaganda where they post, claiming that other native doctors are using human parts without any evidence. Nmiri Eweilo, you are always hiding under tradition, claiming that you are different, exonerating yourself. How are you different? My problem with you is that you are doing the same business these native doctors are doing. Why can't you allow them do their own and do your own? All of you are business people. Yes, you are just doing business. Now people will no get sense, no they see them. If you're not doing business, why do they always do advert for social media? Yes, they always do indirect advert for social media. Yes, if you know they do business, why they always post cars? My 53 car this year, my 73 car dedication this year. What is the meaning of those cars? You are using psychology against people. What you are telling them is, you see, I know they do advert, well, I don't do advert, but you see these cars why they post. Now people welcome my shrine, somebody bless, and they bought this car. You are telling them that they can equally come and be blessed like those people. That is the meaning of those cars where they post on social media. People don't understand you because they are daft. Another way where Nmiri they carry do advert, now through teaching. See, if you're a traditionalist, open your ring light, open your camera, teach. After teaching, people go inbox you. They'll be telling you, this thing where you teach, hi, I can relate to this thing where you teach. It happened to me. Oh, it's just like you are talking to me. Oh, how can I come and see you, please? I'm suffering from this thing where you teach. If you're a traditionalist, try this thing for like 1 week. You see the amount of people that will enter your inbox because of the thing where you teach. The thing where you teach, they can relate to it. If they touch them, you are talking about their case. That is another method where they do advert for social media through teaching. If they tell you the amount of people where they inbox that Nmiri through because of what they hear in they teach, you know go believe them. Nmiri is using psychology. He doesn't do direct advert. He does indirect advert. These people are businessmen. They are not different. Nmiri is not different. Now that people will know they see him. See, the truth be say, Nmiri they see all these native doctors as competition. This is why he's working hard. Working very hard to bring them down, make it be only him will go there for the game. People don't understand this thing. He keep telling you, I'm a traditionalist. Now me they follow the ancestors. Now me they follow tradition. They are our ancestors. These are the things he used to fool you. Now business guy trying to bring down other competitions, make it be only and we go there for the game. People don't understand. You just they follow, Nmiri is different. When you want to talk about people, go just say he's different, very, very truthful, blah blah blah. This guy get a very stone mind. His heart is very, very hardened. You don't understand. You know they even pity these native doctors as this thing they happen. You see they post those things, pushing false propaganda against other native doctors just to bring them down. Look at now this is Nmiri Eweilo now. Now all these people where they carry car, they dedicate house for Nmiri Eweilo shrine. How many times you don't hear person where they sell market for Idumota Lagos or relief market on Onitsha or new market in Enugu or international market Abakaliki come do test money for that place? It is always they do Indonesia, Chukuma Malaysia, Chinedu Brazil, Okechukwu Thailand. What are they doing in that country? What is their job in those countries? What is their job? Nmiri don't care. All he cares about is 53 car we are dedicating this year. 25 car we are dedicating this year. That is just his business. Promoting his business, his enterprise. Now from there, they make him money. He doesn't care about the job of these boys. How many times don't you hear people say, okay, I was doing business in Alaba International Market, no customers, but today I don't get customer. You can never hear that from those people that are coming there. What is a doing in Indonesia? Waiting being job for Indonesia. These are the things you should ask yourself. If this Nmiri is really different, it's not different. Now the same thing. If they see those native doctors as competition to be eliminated, you see, I would have regarded Nmiri Eweilo as a truthful person, an honest person. If to say he dey talk true against other native doctors, then I go to see him the way we they see him as a true traditionalist. But he dey lie. He's a big time liar. If somebody they come around, they talk the truth, they tell people say, this okay to them, this people them, now just 419. You know they work now just to deceive you, now collect on money. If say they talk like that, I go to regard them. But this guy determined to be lying against other native doctors in Anambra State, claiming that they are using human body parts. They go just bring baby. When they bring baby, they go cut the baby into tray and carry the parts, they prepare the juju. This is what this guy formulate. Propaganda. And now this type of propaganda now invite government. Yes, continuing selling propaganda, false narrative, now invite this government now to pursue these native doctors. Now, Nmiri, let's go to your own prophecy. You get one popular musician where they call Tupac Shakur, and another popular musician where they call Notorious B.I.G. This Notorious B.I.G. and Tupac were beefing each other. They are both rappers in America. So they were doing normal artist to artist beef, just like Davido and Whiskey they do. So as the beef they go on, one day they come buy Tupac. Somebody go buy Tupac. So because they buy Tupac, people will love Tupac. Can they assume say if he be B.I.G. where they behind this thing, no? Because now two of them they beef. The only person they could suspect na B.I.G. say he want eliminate Tupac, maybe be only in way go stand. So a year later, people will love Tupac go buy B.I.G. in retaliation. That is how these two artists disappear from the surface of the earth because of beef. Now, in the year 2024, they arrest the person who buy Tupac. I don't know whether you watch them for CNN. Where they arrest them, after all investigation, they don't see any connection between this person who buy Tupac and Notorious B.I.G. No connection at all. It can't be saying a business where these people and Tupac get 9 cause them. Notorious B.I.G. no get any connection with the death of Tupac. But it don't dey too late already. B.I.G. don't buy already. They don't buy B.I.G. in retaliation. Wetin B.I.G. no do. Now, this story is just like Whiskey and Davido beef. Every time they beef, from year to year they beef. One day, person go buy Whiskey. Now, people can assume say na Davido, they behind the thing. Since na Davido, na two of them, they kind of get some quanta. Davido is the only person where people go suspect. Now, people will love Whiskey. Genuinely dedicate themselves, go buy Davido in retaliation. Now, after some years, they can't catch the person where buy Whiskey. Can't discover say that person not even get any link at all with Davido, where people they suspect. It can't be said they don't buy Davido for nothing. This is what will happen. This is what happened in case of Tupac and B.I.G. And this is what will likely happen in the case of Nmiri Eweilo and other native doctors in Anambra State. Nmiri Eweilo, listen to me. You don't dedicate a lot of energy pushing propaganda, pushing false narrative to bring down all these native doctors. Now they're about to fall. And believe me, you will fall with them. Yes, you don't even know that you are trying to bring your own self down by bringing them down. You don't know. As they bring them down now, people, they think say you are behind this thing. But you don't know. People are beginning to think that you are behind the whole thing. Even when you could be innocent, you never call any government official. But indirectly, you they push narrative where they tell people say now you they behind this thing. Believe me, if other native doctor, all these native doctor where they fight, if they fall for Anambra, maybe you go fall. Those native doctors no go do anything, no. But you see people who love them, people where they chop food from their hand, people where they worship them, they will not allow you to stand. I know say you won't make they eliminate them, make it be only way go stand. You are dreaming. They are coming for you. Just pray, may these native doctors not fall. If they fall, their own business closed, you cannot stand in Anambra State. It is not possible. Go and mark it somewhere, and I mean they tell you, reserve this video somewhere. If these native doctors fall, Nmiri, you will fall. That is a must. No, you cannot challenge it. That is my prophecy to you, Nmiri. If the likes of Akwa, all these native doctors, where they arrest, where they do juju, if this business, their business closed down, your own will close down. Even your life might close down. I'm telling you the fact. The native doctors will not do you anything. People who love them will dedicate themselves to deal with you seriously. Now that time where you go reap the fruit of your labor, all this thing where you dey sow for social media against all these native doctors, now that time you go reap the fruit. I'm telling you the fact. If they fall, the world should hear this thing, save them. If all these native doctors, their business closed, Nmiri will go down. They are coming for you. Their lovers, their supporters, their fans are coming for you. You cannot stand. They cannot afford to watch you stand when their boss don't fall. So don't even dream, say you can take over the leadership of Anambra State. Now, business, all of them they do. These people are doing business. You are doing your own business. You leave your own business, they put their own down. Hiding under tradition. And my ancestors, blah, blah, blah. Now, people will not get sense when you don't understand what they do. But believe me, you will reap the fruit of your labor. Soon, where may these native doctors fall? If you no fall, no say no be me. No be prophecy I drop. Just pray may they no fall, because if they fall, you go with them. What happen for Tupac case go happen for your case. Yes, people go assume say na you do am. And true, you follow do am. All those videos where they release for social media, the government are seeing it. Propaganda, lies against other native doctors. They use human body parts. They cut this person. Blah, blah, blah. They put person kidney inside juju. The government are seeing your video. Now, some of these videos push the government to react. Today, they are reacting. Instead of you to even pity themselves and release a kind of statement, you see they post more. That shows how wicked you are. Now, you will reap the fruit of your labor very soon. Check my name for Truecaller. Huh? Check me. By the time I go realize, say, now God send me from heaven to deliver many people from disability, you go don't dare too late for most of now. Shame go babu na kodo. Be smart and stay smart.